A grilled cheese, nice and creamy in the center, crispy on the outside, and full of flavor. I'm going to show you right now how to put that together quickly, and here it goes.
A hot pan with butter melted creates a non-stick surface. Here are the ingredients, but let's get going. Butter one side of each piece of bread. Could have used softer butter, but it's okay. The butter will hit the pan and spread across the slice easily when warm.
Dine with Devin. Tell me how you're going to make this better in the comments below.
On the opposite side of the buttered bread, spread the cream cheese coast to coast. This is easily one of the best creamy, ooey gooey 3-cheese grilled cheese sandwiches, as you will see in the end of this video. The flavor and creaminess of this Tillamook cheese makes it an amazing grilled cheese, and that's some Havarti cheese I'm slicing up to place about 3 pieces on each sandwich. It doesn't have to cover it, as it will melt down real nice with the other cheeses. Top it with some Tillamook cheddar for this grilled cheese, then bring that piece of pre-cheesed bread back and place the cream cheese side down on the cheddar, which makes this that 3-cheese grilled cheese with this easy how-to video. I'm going to butter up the top side of this bread and bring it over to this pan that's been warming at a medium heat with butter melted into it. After about 3 minutes, flip it over. That sizzle is what you should be hearing. That will make an amazing grilled cheese. These are coming along beautifully. I will pull one out since it's done, but flip the other 2 over. You can see that here that the bottom side is looking good. The side facing up needs a slightly longer grill. Here are the 3-cheese sandwiches. These are easily the best 3-cheese grilled cheese sandwiches made with Tillamook cheddar, Tillamook cream cheese, Havarti, Tillamook butter on potato bread. See how it pulls apart with that ooey gooey cheese? It's the best.
This is delicious. You're going to love it. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. How you're going to make it special your way with a little twist. Some hot sauce maybe? Sriracha? Fixed sriracha hot sauce? I think so. But if you like this and you want to see something even more amazing and special, take a look at this video up here. You're going to love it.